Looks brand new. Wow. Nice. Had to probably just change out the fluid, huh? No, needed a lot more. Sounds just like my Ranger. Wow. What's up, Radley peoples? Man, it is actually a beautiful day here in Michigan. It's strange. Well, we're getting there. Let me flip you around, show you what we got going on today. Shoo! Look, a floor. Remember that one video? I was like, if I work really hard this weekend, we could see the floor. Yeah, well, that was like 3 months ago. But it's getting there. One wall to go. And you know, I haven't hit 800 subscribers, so today I'm just gonna pull this bad boy down with the old trucker. So I got the truck, got me a tow rope. Yep, I'm gonna rip her on down. So I'll try to set you guys up so you can maybe see if the wall falls on my truck or something. But I gotta show you this. Look at this. Look at what we got. Over here in the automotive department, we got a couple transmissions, a generator. Over here in sports, we got 3 bicycles, 8 sleds. Yeah, that's right, 8. Housewares, we got vacuums, we got humidifiers, dehumidifiers, tables, doors. Over here in outdoor lawn equipment, we have trailers. We got any of your storage containers. Over here we have plumbing. Yeah, plumbing over here. More of the automotive department. Them guys, they set stuff in the wrong place all the time. Tools, so if you need any tool chests, camper shell, boat, you know, we got it all here at Hoppy's Appliances and more. You know, stove. Got the shelves all cleaned up, jars all cleaned out. Look, there's the pit. Maybe I'll take you guys down into the pit before the video's over. It's probably gross down there, I can only imagine. And there's the car washer. Yeah, alright. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get you set up and I'll try and rip this wall down and see what happens. And then it's gonna be fire time. I mean, like, make a fire. Yeah. Alright, stay tuned. There we go. Got her hooked up. Good as she's gonna get. Run her through the old fire hole and the old window. See if we can't just pull this wall right down. Where's a good spot to set you? I'll find a good spot to set you. Dog's mad about it. Bam! There she is. On the ground. Now I need to do a little chopping action. Look at that. Stayed right up. Do a little chopping action, give me a little fire going, boy. She's almost done. Then we get that pile loaded up. Get that pile loaded up and off to the old junkyard. Dope. Got the truck full of scrap. Man, we're almost there. Well, poop. Got my damn parts washer. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. All walls are down. Holy smokes. Maybe I should clean that up real quick. Woo! That's a well-built one. Sweet. Didn't wreck it. All walls are down. Now, time for fire. Awesome. All done. Walls are down. Now I just got fire time. So I guess that's gonna do it for today. You see behind me, look what's going on. Oh man. Oh man. Puppy's over there on the porch catching some rays. So all the walls are down. All that's next is clean all this pile of crap up behind me. Jeez, oh Pete's. All that crap. Gonna have all them trees removed. Yeah. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Hopefully we'll have a garage video going up soon. That'd be awesome. Right on.